Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Today I just wanted to share a small Dollar Tree haul with you. You know that I don't go out shopping just to shop, but I had picked up these little ornaments. They are just the cutest little things. So there's 5 in a pack for $1. They're Crafters Square stockings, and I picked them up in a haul video in one of my Saturday morning updates. It wasn't even a separate Dollar Tree video, and said I didn't exactly know why, but worst case they'd go into my Christmas box for next year. I am loving them, and I have decorated some, and I showed Noni and she said that we needed more, and so I went to look and I agreed. I'll show you, but I'm not going to show you until after I get it mailed. So you're going to have to wait until the recipient gets it, because I fear that it's one of those things that if I showed it, they would just know who it's for. So we just can't do that. Think about the possibilities with these. Okay, so first of all, they're 20 cents a piece. Here's one right here out of the package. And you can stamp on them. I stamped the back with my Crafting and Relaxing stamp, and it turned out okay. And I used an archival ink. I don't know if you'd want to use archival or stays on or what, but you can stamp on them. Think about every Christmas stocking you've ever seen in your life and all the variety of how you could decorate these, right? Your mind should be like ping, ping, ping. You could do collage on them and do some sort of Victorian or vintage looking. You could do the basic red with the faux fur across here and then put their name on it. You could use all those sequins that you have. Remember the stockings that had the sequin banners across the top? You could use plaid papers to decorate it and give it kind of a country look. I could decorate these things all day differently. I started mine, the ones I made this weekend, with paint. I started with paint, and one I painted the whole thing and one I didn't paint the top. Everything that you have to embellish cards, scrapbooks, albums, anything, you can put on this. And it would make a gift for 20 cents. They're not good for work gifts, right? Because stockings, not so much, but there's a lot of other fun things you can do with them. You could also use them as gift tags. They don't have to be the present themselves. They could be an amazing embellishment with like an ornament that hangs on it and on the back. I have a friend that when she gives me ornaments, she takes a Sharpie and she writes the year on it and like what she gave it to me for, like if we went on a trip together or that kind of thing. So it's a nice memento of our vacation. So that's what I went for. There were only 2 packs left. So if you want some, you should probably get them now. And they were in the Christmas section, not the Crafters section. But our store doesn't have a Crafters Square section yet. It's still kind of a mess. And there's not much of the new packaging coming in yet. So there were one of each for those. And then there were trees. And there was only one tree. And bells. So I got the trees and bells for Noni. I think I would probably have fun decorating the trees too, but I feel a little more limited there. Like I maybe wouldn't paint a tree every color, whereas a stocking, it's no holds barred, and I would go crazy. But the same concept could apply. So if you go to your store and you only have trees, you could go silver, green, you could decorate them with sequins or bling or everything that you have, all the trims and garland. Go crazy, have fun. I got a thing of crepe paper because I don't have any, and I doubt that I'm gonna make basic rosettes, but I might like to layer it. And my friend Noni has been making amazing embellishments, and I'm trying to get her to start layering them up. Like, look at this, okay? She made this reindeer, gave him a red nose. I'm gonna put him on something. So I thought I'd give her a roll and keep a roll, 50 cents, well worth it. If we don't use them, at least they'll be in our stash for something. I don't typically buy stuff that I see no vision in using, but if I see a lot of potential, just like the stockings, I bought it. I got some Butterfingers. You have to get something. Then I got these 2 things, and what I was thinking about, I didn't have a card in my purse. I didn't even have my whole purse. Was craft fairs, and I thought this one would probably be a little too big and deep. Imagine these bagged, right, and with their envelopes, so they're a little thicker and sturdier, but I just didn't think this showed very well. I don't want to put a plastic bin on my friend's table because she does sewing and really nice texture projects, and I just feel like I was raised in a house where plastic was a no-no. We didn't have plastic cups, none of that. So it's just not very nice. So if you're going to display handmade wares, I was trying to think of something better. Now granted, Dollar Tree displays, not better, but still fabric. This one was gray, so it's a little more trendy, but I just think it's too big. I doubt it will get used. This one might do it. It came, so just so you know, this one came just like it is. It was not folded up at all. And these were in the like home storage office, not office, but closet organization section, like where you'd find hangers. This one was folded up, and this was the front cover of it. So it's 8.5 by 11.5 and 4.75 tall. I thought that was a little better for cards, but they're probably going to lean a lot. So I don't know. Right now I have my fall cards and a bunch of pick-me-up and some others. I don't have any Christmas cards in here yet. So I think I will fill it more, but I'm trying to figure out if this is a good idea or not. But I could do 2 rows in here, and this one's brown. They didn't have the gray, but I thought, brown might work okay. And the other color was like a creamy color tan like this. It wasn't a very good color, really. I just didn't love it. So I think this might be it. Then I could put like a little sign on the front. So be sure if you're doing all the work that you're not displaying them. Like a lot of the containers I use, here's a big messy one, in my craft room, right, are these clear plastic tubs. You know that I love clear plastic tubs so I can see and find things. But give your products a bit more style. If you're going to put them on your table at a craft fair, even if you take that plastic tub and you throw a pillowcase or a napkin or something over it, it's going to be a game changer. Fabric is going to dress up your table. So just think about that. I didn't want to, be the like ghetto spot in my friend's table. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a good week, and I'll show you the finished ornaments later. Bye-bye.